and we'll show you the statue that they have out here. That's been here since 1976. It's the Independent Man. It's the same statue, a replica of the same statue. It's on top of the Capitol. Next we'll head in and see what is new inside the Warwick Mall. And the Independent Man was also right where this carousel is. But after the carousel came in, he was moved outside. For a while. Also have Cox cable, whatever your business needs are. Subway. Also, a Rhode Island staple, Rocky Point Chowder House. It's definitely a classic Rhode Island place. Everybody's ready for Christmas. Nice suit place. It was actually Regal suits. H&M. Nothing too exciting here. Nothing too exciting here at H&M. Tilly's is your pack Sunlight. Everybody loves Lolly. Target. They've taken a lot of the Nordstroms out of Rhode Island, so you do have Nordstrom Rack right here in the Warwick. Ever-changing stock. And here's a brand new Urban Planet. It's a brand new teen store. Not many vacancies in this mall, so they keep it up pretty stocked, which is a good thing. One of the classic mall from the 90s, 80s, Auntie Anne's. You got the Zoomies. So everybody needs their PacSun product, even though they're not here. Everybody needs the new lids. And they got a Journeys, which is kind of like the same thing. Yeah, you got a couple different local stores that have, you know, some jam, some chocolate, some perfume. Well, one of the newest shops in this mall is Build-A-Bear Workshop that they just got in here, which is pretty cool. Good addition to this mall. And there's also box lunch because everybody needs their Toy Story merch. Pretty cool though. Pretty good addition here. It's a lot of Disney stuff and bands and mystery pins, and you can also trade your Disney pins here.
And when we went away.
Everybody's usually here in the food court watching TV and stuff. We got a Charlie's. Toy Vault is a pretty cool toy shop. Get all your Star Wars merch. Get all your Star Wars merch. And you can also get some Funkos. They do have a stock of Funkos on the back wall. Pretty cool local mall in Warwick. They keep it very clean, and they also keep all the businesses full. There's no vacancies currently, so that's what's new at the Warwick Mall. So that's the end of this video today of this Rhode Island kind of adventure. So what adventure should I go on next? Maybe we'll have to do adventure in Connecticut.